Yeah. Niggas out here crazy, man. Damn. Yeah.
Cormel.
We untouchable, man. Cormel, these niggas sound crazy. Oh, I think they crazy. Why the nigga acting so crazy? Yeah. Oh, I'm not stopping now. You can never ever stop my shining. Money be so sweet, yeah. Get all you say we nah give up now.
Hello lovely people, I want to say a big thank you to each and everyone out there for always making time to watch our videos. They're not easy now for us on our data into YouTube and to watch the videos, man. Can you go and pick a taste of the come to boss support, man? That's something I'm so the day can hit video and share, you can subscribe, you can like your video and so on the top. So one of some women have so I came across a video on social media, Facebook, Coco rapper, and then I felt that no, come on rap. Then I'm never know in Ghana. Because if we have such great talents, come to so I'm Jenny. The Trinity gave up in Azamba who do near Zaka, born on a blessing. Zanti, Lord Ness. Message and I do rap my phone, the Conco motivate my guy and the Trinity bushy, who can't come no part with the Watinian, so don't cut him by Katamabima to tap Bavin Yanga and tap some Zaka, make a little rich kid, and I want young soup pump, which you could not go where we shot them. Now got to jump to the so stay tuned. It's a love.
Yeah, call me Rich Kid. Don't forget, nigga, keep on watching Rash TV. Yeah, grateful.
Yes, so as I said, my brother is here. We cannot no more part to you because don't be help about with such platforms like this. I'm on a platform shall be a design help. So Rich Kid Charlie, what's
so
cool. Rich Kid, mama, yeah, I get a live my Rich Kid.
Hey, come on. Kuisar na kat kutab nicknames la man.
So ni man karo kuina Rich Kid. Oi, okay, talk him by. Yeah, Zoe.
Like 2 areas. Bembela lo come la man. Zola Kalpoini.
Okay.
Kati, like when I was like 12 years, something like that. Come minimum parents move channel full. Yeah.
So credit ni man keep
Yeah.
Wow. Bozuka choosing in our music.
Seriously, that wasn't my choice.
Okay.
Like music didn't they inspire me to extend that even no long. Come on,
you can't just do away with it.
No. Life and don't buy like the people around me, like Baron, like this. They inspire me all the time to do music.
Okay.
Life, they tell me like, if I do this, the tuning, I mean, one features that will come more, but like to get me to link up with people. But my own Andy will take her when you're serious. Come on, yeah, but man, delay, man.
Serious, because you want
to
you can't talk away.
No, bro.
Mommy, music, the Bible Zoya. You choose to do rap. And Arab style magba, the way you I don't know, Bozuka happy the command rap and in this particular line.
Like the style on Kubala, something like that. And I've been putting a lot of time into it. All the time.
Okay.
All the time. Highly be in tablet like I do.
The vibe.
Like something like that, and just to keep my things together. Yeah.
Because the Malala American vibe, man.
Yeah.
When I listen to it, because freestyle channel watch, man, it's just English, bar to bar. Come on, you are just dropping it. It has that form, the Malala form. Did you pick inspiration from some of those rappers? Bombay, Iran, Smita, UK?
Yeah, man, like all the time. Maniela inspiration from even Helmut Banande Yilaba. Like something you tell me, something come on to Yelma Ben Sharon, so never back back, inspiration thing. Something like that. So man to on the pan Yilan, La Wima, son La Pune Kanyaran vibes. Yeah, but mostly they listen to more UK rappers and something like that in American rappers.
Yeah. You know, man, we want this to happen, you understand? It's just about exhibiting the pure talent. Miss Kamaza Bankama, no, now on the back when shot down, listen to Nachi can you appreciate it. Yeah. Let flow shell and man. It was very hot. And when I even went to comment section, man, Fadlan even said that no, that he would jump on this.
Yeah.
So and how was it feeling like?
Like that feeling like, ooh, like mamino ka fila ho be freestyle ko rap la nya ka tmo number la we ma so ka tila nyo ma gbaza ka no jump on it but to be frankly like ku born na mino nang traction like ka ku hit worldwide serious one so mbe nang in a rush ka to jump on life mama nanya like that's when you for real
uncle naga verse ma ka send it to no to come on. I want you to give us that rap. I want people to feel it. You're a fan of rap, so if you even get to a time, you can even meet me. Come on, never Jaffy that we can put some nice. Flow market.
Yeah, I was starving back then, nigga. I was robbing. Stuck on the street, so I had to do some fraud shit. We making more moves by doing no announcement. So refreshing, I'm learning lessons. The streets got me lost in it. Interesting. I need a gun by my side, no question. Wake up in the morning with some new blessings. I don't need many girls, they so stressing. We all doing rap, but none like different. I'm grateful that I came by my section. No reversing in a V12 racing. I got many problems, I be trying to fix it. So stop now, man, and you but trending topic. She smell like a fish, I have to eat it. Disgusting. Make some dirty money and wash it.
Charlie,
something like
Charlie.
that.
Where was that? Because it was in the night.
Yeah. The area one kula to Senate like that. My young man dibu one.
So normally once a while you go there to Dubai, it was just by chance like, then.
Different places got in on the bed. Something like that. Very different one,
wow. Mostly, when I listen to your songs, it's like you are more of the motivational type. Most of your songs, like you are just driving the people's attention. Now, oh, Charlie, let's get up and work. Forget this, forget that. Why do you normally want to have your songs in that line?
Because that's what music is all about. And some yo thing kind of that. You feel that, but like you talk about something you go through. So guys, I can't feel the lab. Somebody else is going through that. So one day, woman, you like, oh, but no woman, he want to hear from you more. Yeah, something. And down kunyale seriously.
This your uncle Bana come and to Sabama rap.
Yeah.
Uncle Chissy, you don't get into record.
But first track, big boy, first track, DJ Sondaroko, DJ, producer Sondaroko, my Stana.
Stana boy.
Yeah. It was like what I am, like track, like first time, but like I'm my energy, like I shouldn't relax.
Okay.
Like what I am, so I am put more energy. But this time, me no belong to that just because like he got me fucked up. Like
even some but you see, sometimes you need to always trust, but like how many producer man all are good. Just come together. Oh, bosu, we work hand in hand. So let's just amend things and then we'll come together again.
Yeah.
Don't talk when you come on. You see, sometimes I talk with a producer Susani. Who flow like a feel a vibe, mark, motivate to go maybe or produce beats. Like a vocal, the way you flow, man. Karakuche kokumba sound share is just meant for you.
Yeah.
So sometimes we just have to come. Oh, mommy, double biana, you know, definitely thing in this and one or two things will happen. Do you have a love song?
Love song, yeah.
You have a love song?
Yeah.
You did it alone. I'm also now.
I did. I have like 4 love songs. I did 2 alone. 2 man shaban.
Banana kafi.
LA Yaso. Nku call him up and phone.
Okay.
Yaso gaza Ace Kid.
Okay, Ace Kid. Wow, that's nice. Most of your songs, not to hear maybe deeper man than research. I wouldn't have realized that you have your songs on Audio Mark.
Yeah.
But bole chat woman damlela because you are good.
I don't know, but believe your time, man. Like time, the Sahai can never bound, so they will get to know. Yeah, yeah. Because like I'm not hiding anything.
Okay.
Yeah, and I get the talent. Like I'm just trying to express myself in this music in there.
Okay.
But I'm back as wanna like any rapper. No, my any rapper so when they motivate me, I just want to share.
Okay.
Caribbean bazaar story. Yeah, Kabang rap nigga and bon rap nigga and young bazaar. Sometimes to number shot together. But I need so when I share you. If you want to believe maybe I will like on rap. So mama on to kunya kabo check a caranya no kabo shazo. Uncle be share you ben
wow. But you know sometimes you have to reach out because you have songs. And I'm you know, you always go somewhere and you have to tell people that Yilambon. But there should be that song that maybe but I need a radio station 1, 2, 3. And at least you have won a fan.
Yeah.
So you've not gone anywhere like I would chant any media station, any radio station. So I'm not using any FM station.
Man, first time bon. My first time bon. Like yasu bazanda ntrima lenko. Ami yapolo koraya man. Kes mala radio koraya. Bekala yasu ntrima lenko ma karamala like he's trying to use me like something like that. Like
okay, you want to do Mami ati industry man kunya balambo. So agba kubang na kamande wala atab vraiment biala. Mami tomorrow the kunya tomorrow. They are supposed to serve the musicians. Mami sometimes even biala gba kuba junu no bako otuntu. So as artists you just have to be patient. Just have, especially upcoming artists, you have to be patient because social media helps. But because our promo the Bapaya. Have you tried any of the reality shows? Because Mamit Mali Hitmaker Bian drop the mic Babian young. You don't want
to even try. My that better than the bad and then the numbers.
Why?
Then the bunny pull like
why?
So I mean so
No. I wouldn't no. I don't buy to that.
Then the man they are not taking out talent. They are rather doing what they want. So come no, so heavy bag, they'll no make you qualify. So come and tell the Anton party, I saw that channel in the hardcore.
Hardcore.
Mamu.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, but that channel like a drop. But
so you are afraid that you go there and do everything?
No, Kala, man, I'm just like Uncle German and Chowny, man. Anton party, like I'm not that type to go and do something like that. Uncle Ben and realize on my own, something like that. Doing my music, like I'm on to my video, but I will post it and shaka and something like
that. Are you doing music for leisure or you are taking it as full-time business?
It's my full-time business, seriously. Because all the time, how near you see chongo, near you see young kind of chongo, then the guy is kind of chongo. Yeah. Nice.
But why are you not making use of certain opportunities that come your way? Because it's a platform for you to exhibit what God has given to you.
Yeah.
And a lot of people have sailed through reality shows that they are making it. Look at our brother, Sea of Optional King. He has made everybody happy. And it's through a reality show.
Yeah.
Sometimes, you know, I understand that most artists have issues with reality shows, with comments. Because one artist told me that, knowing, you know, you know, some of these things. But it's a reality show opportunity, go there and then exhibit what you have. How many of your songs are on Audio Mark?
Like 3 songs, something like that. Yeah.
Mention them.
$1 Million Budget. And the Big Boy Vibe.
Okay.
And the Shallow on Me Yaso Pluto. Turn It Up. 3 tracks.
Wow. Currently, project the Lily could be on mine, and you are just willing to bring it out to the people.
Seriously, whole lot of projects, but not one project share. The video can kuma daganama. Then and I know like it will bring a lot of people to my circle. Yeah. Seriously,
you believe so much in what you can
do. Yeah.
Sure. You can bring the video. You see the way you are talking. I'm tempted to believe that video man to win now, because I can balance. Because the way you speak is like, oh, let them have it. You don't push that much. So is that your first video channel kumage?
Nah. 3 videos kan mage. Ka ba one. Kana ba one. Kala mangu mapa.
You need to let her see your projects. Chat nyele.
Okay, bro.
I was searching for a picture on social media. You are not a fan of pictures or you know, you're a star, I understand. You're an upcoming star. You know, you need to always appear.
Yeah.
Why? You don't just like you don't fancy taking pictures.
My mom abandoned that. No position,
It's just natural. Sometimes you don't know where it comes from.
Nothing.
Rich kid, Charlie, I'm sure you are enjoying this. You know, I love the vibe. You know, street talent is the best. You understand? Sometimes we bring people here and it's cool. But Bansona and his vibe is different. You understand? And I like the way he is. Just be open. Let the thing out. Let our people understand that this is what we can do.
Yeah.
Akman Pune, Northern industry,
Yeah.
the rap music, the Chanvenyananga.
Like this north side, the industry, the rap
The
music.
rap music.
Seriously, man, but long no. Like because rappers done pam like bando kutu never be shapolo. Like big rap artists ma ku be enough bando kutu never be a big shapolo be. To mean ban ku bala ngona. Just because like industry ma like so kama ben sha da move ra ben sha abu kulbe chan ven yalanga. So kan bor no you so chela we man. Kama amala ila man nedzir fila sha like I've never been so nation could feel on but Olatunde he always talk to me like about how this music industry me no could notice that that's how they go. Come on, I know the ila come on. So babu born the song na come on real to popular app. That's where people will try like Kavpazan the new child now. Allow me man. So me I'm just doing my
You're
thing.
just doing your own thing.
Whatever the case is.
So Akman Pune as an upcoming because it's a the projects ma Pune. Come on, Bombo kana kuishi kama maybe industry man na to kuno the nan song yapon. Because I'm sure 1 or 2 people will be watching this video.
Yeah.
So at least maybe if you convince them, you know the tie. Ko pilka na kama mbema tinye kama the picker na ka you know but tie. At least in song.
Industry man. There are a lot of good people, but I'm not seeing anyone like my banyer song my shame man alive. I'm not seeing anyone because when come in song when born no use allow life.
So what you want to imply is that they should just help you
They
guys.
should just help. This is uncle. Agbaku song my kabo song and kama song artist song. No thing ya wakati mabanya kaza uncle song do for life. Just because this are human enough. So well. Agban Tonya artist agba level makanya dem nyesha me amba na ka izinya so let's just push when artist ka song ko you do so sa ka zan no fa ilan chan.
I mean sometimes something you that approach about biara.
Yeah.
Not to approach so na you like ko play your work or understand. Now man yell problem ma o. The industry want to problem ma nyesha mba ma. To bla bon le payola de panya motivation. Tamana ya gba mi abeya ka payola la nya de motivation an de nyamlo ni zo ayila ma abeya. Understand? So sometimes it's just motivation, understand?
Yeah.
Just try to create that relationship. Artist to DJ relationship man. Ka ku meet DJ so ka po be ka ku meet ofin ka ku meet ngan to ko no 5 cd no tankan. Ka ku check out dal to. Understandable?
Yeah.
Something small. Like check out to ku ye now so most of the presenters be shabian be war ba shama de sarba. You understand? So sometimes I don't blame them when they seek for something from the artist.
Yeah.
But the jekara nye kama shaku go la ngo pe kana that's what I don't support. Ayela bangama o. Amala yira. Agba pu song ma biafu kana ba ayela tamang that's what I don't support.
Yeah.
No, don't mention money to the artist because one mama gba striver. You understand? Yeah. So rich kid, I mean I love rap music. So I want you to drop another one.
Yeah. I'm preparing live. I'm going to drop like shall they've been about 2 weeks now. Yeah.
So when are we expecting it? Be an another date. When are you expecting?
August. Maybe then to kind of like 15th.
15th.
Yeah.
Yeah. the video Biagu man. Why Bozuka who decided, come on, no, this time you have to drop a song with that particular title, Biagu?
That track, man, I recorded like I've done in 2 days, man. Yeah. But it was just like, when I done last slow, that way, man, so come. But this time, I'm going to bring more wave, like serious one. Like after this one, I'm dropping another track, back to back, one way, bro.
Oh, Charlie,
life,
not be easy. I saw you on Olatunde's Cypher, Volume 2, and I was just waiting for it because I know what you guys can do. So rapper see the la you know, mommy, the la shining like it. So want to work when you catch a bunch.
Yeah, serious one.
Yeah. So I was just waiting. How did it happen? When that contact be
like that time, man. That bottom be Cypher, man. Okay. Yeah. Can yellow lot to the coil man o manager no boom no be no chan on yellow catch and ban later uncle go to call man no send a beat smart man. And I was so excited. Life and that will put on last time. Can someone pull last Saturday, bro? No time send the beats, man. Can chant to recording. Come on, check a flow, man. Ko yeah, man, another channel, no,
so it means that you can jump the trouble.
No, seriously, bro.
Wow. Well, today, the part, man.
Hey, we up and away. Don't be ashamed. We on some big boy thing every day. I go hard to get paid. There's Osaka, Bell and Lane. Fuck whoever they hate. Yarmap, I'm not like fake. I be like whatever. I'm climbing my ladder. Ho, thing you know, to Bazanda. Teacher yala pamba nyanga. Minding my business. Going to chan feather. Me I know they watch no man, no never. Hot boy nyama. Mbobot zama. You claim to be sick. I do. I'm sicker. I'm too loud at everything.
Charlie.
Yeah, bro.
We get our person tamale. Can you get top our guys are good, you understand? Sometimes, you know, if you be platforms will come on or even FY smart will advise it.
Yeah.
So sometimes even when you are on a radio station, BTV station, share be like I took something beautiful. But sometimes it's so smart, the man on kitchen and carry. But sometimes when you are playing it even on air, the pile outside, man, they have a way of doing it so that it doesn't go out. Yeah. So let's support our brothers. They're not easy. You understand? Rap. Come on, I'm a fan of rap. Kaku more flow. You just loud. I can feel them. So Bontuna, no, you understand? Pom. The source now make available social media. We are not so active.
Yeah.
Anyabo, we are not so active. And I advise that our freestyles, man.
Not active, but only call online, bro. Yeah.
Call on hard. Oi, on hard. When truly. We got kunya kan you ba ale kunanda. Kama di kupa yila ba kunanda.
To dan ka yila mane kan ku be all time. Ma it's been none the yila don na benzo no Samuel game. Life. Life.
Wa abu top darawa.
Kama
dara abu top darawa. Ayo dara ash darawa. Mami speech language.
Yeah, for that one we don't talk about it because
I mean, this is how man. Yeah. How could be streets, man, or something. We
shakam. Whatever be the case, I got to know that.
So, Charlie, today is getting I was on a different vibe. I like my mom when you talk about time. So it tells you that look, sometimes it's not sometimes you have to bring people who have a whole different thing. Anya, I would like Facebook. You don't got use that.
Firdaus, Rich Kid. Real name Firdaus, man.
Firdaus. So Rich Kid, man. So Instagram, even a YouTube channel, man, they really so that people can go and then see your works.
IG use like Rich 7.
Okay.
Twitter was the same thing.
Twitter was the same thing. Wow. Okay. Because after this interview, watch it. I took on our social media handles, man, so that people can also go and have a feel of so you have to make yourself. I could be around. Fans, man, you need to communicate with your fans. And because I'm a fan,
I can see that.
And so then they don't come on social media, come on, you know, active on the young side. You talk about no, but that one come with the child a cassette of social media. Yes, so I'm so excited. You know, I don't know how to explain it, but I didn't believe that we could have this interview in this way, but that's how it is. You know, every artist has his brand and the way he wants to present himself out to the people. So what I would advise that let's try and follow him on social media. YouTube channel. You didn't have a channel, man.
The same name, Rich Kid, man.
Rich Kid. Wow. So you can check him out on YouTube. Just search Rich Kid.
Yeah.
Rich Kid. So your Rich Kid, how do you spell it?
RICCH.
ID.
Yeah.
ID. So your Rich is not one C, CC.
Yeah, CC. Yeah.
Wow. But totally. So let's check him out, you understand? You know, we are here to promote every single artist. So I catch to check out Opujes Caraviera. Understand? Because I was supposed to some social men I don't know. I want you to give your final words to the people out there, Banlerama. If you know you call definitely. One base support man.
Yeah, mama me also. Mom, yeah, like if I just keep the push, about got to support the Zamba, man. About in like I'm best support the Enchama got north side, got the different. Yeah. I don't support Yawamba.
I do Yawamba. When you are role model, music.
Music. To be frankly, I'm my own role model because all the time, like I'm creating things on my own.
Okay.
Yeah. All the time. Even though I learn from different people, but if I learn, I try to create it in my own way. I try to turn it in my own way. Yeah. Everything I'm doing it my way. Yeah.
Oh, Charlie.
Yeah.
Wow, I'm so excited. You know, it's a whole different vibe.
Yeah.
So on your video, I will share it on Facebook for people to go in and watch, and then do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel, understand? And as well, do to his channel as well, Rich Kid.
Yeah.
Let's support our brothers. They were not easy. Like I was around the studio and record a year now, they shoot videos. So we take platforms, let us on tap somewhere. The only thing we want to hear is controversial issues. They will help put in that film. Let me say it and say it again. Local song. When you see an artist, can you no yet to share at the end? Can you platform ma? Can you be it won't help. Local something. Because none of our industry was Zoe. Let's say it. There was Zoe. So don't compare your amount to Soundness, man. We are doing ourselves more harm than good. Because ban palace station when they are even promoting controversy, they say a lot of artists, man. But you are going to bang, I to check about views, but Laranyale. Make about if we are going to dwell on controversy, it will not help the industry. Let me say it. The tap song, they were not easy. The tap song pan. Because the Mabim by the tap song, but one can expect to know and to help you. So let's try as much as possible. Tell no, we are just doing it for Northern Ghana. So let's try so work at the tap song. Be sharp comes out and be chong. So this share video man yale. Then I was share it as well. Catch our fans mazan. Kabza hanon Kabza jib down fan. My name is Raswajan. Thanks so much for watching. His name is Rich Kid. I will down. That will be next time.
Yeah.
Bless.
Bless.